Bonjour mes étudiants 7th standard. So this is where we were. Lesson 6, allons à l'école. Let's go to school. So last class we were seeing this. So I think I have given you the translation and we are supposed to finish these translation based exercise today. So we will do that alone. And so upcoming class is your revision class for second midterm. So today is very simple. I will just do a recap of this translation and then I'll get into the exercise one by one. Okay, so shall we start? So keep your books open, take your page number 67 and first you listen with me and then we'll go for this. Aujourd'hui, nous allons à l'école de Manuel. Nous prenons la première rue à gauche. Puis nous allons tout droit et nous tournons à droite et voilà. Nous sommes devant l'école. C'est une grande école et elle a un rez-de-chaussée et deux étages. Le terrain de sport est derrière l'école. La salle de classe et de manuel est au deuxième étage. Dans la salle, il y a des tables, des chaises pour les élèves, un bureau, une chaise pour les professeurs et un tableau noir. Il y a aussi une carte de la France contre le mur. The next page. Les élèves mettent les livres et les cahiers sur la table. Ils apprennent plusieurs choses. La science, les mathématiques, les langues, l'histoire, la géographie, l'informatique, le dessin, etc. Ils lisent des livres, ils écrivent dans les cahiers et les professeurs corrigent les devoirs. Sur la table du professeur, il y a des crayons blancs, roses et bleus. Manuel adore le cours de musique, il joue de la guitare. So what we are going to do now is, I'll read it once in English and then, so you can have your translation which we did last class and you can just follow up and then we'll go for the exercise. Okay. Aujourd'hui nous allons à l'école de Manuel. So today we are going to the school of Manuel. Nous prenons la première rue à gauche et puis nous allons à droite et nous tournons à et voilà, nous sommes devant l'école. So we are in the first street. We are taking the first street at the left. Then we are going straight and then we turn at the right and there we go. And there we are. We are in front of the school. It's a big school. C'est une grande école. Elle a un rez-de-chaussée et deux étages. Le terrain de sport est derrière l'école. So I'll just go with English because I think it might confuse if I switch between French and English. So it's a big school. It has a ground floor and two-story building, and it's a two-story building. So the sports ground is the backside of the school. In the Manuel's class is at the second floor. In the class there are some tables, some chairs for the students, a desk and a chair for the professor and a blackboard. There is also a map of France against the wall. So the students put the books and the notebooks on the table. They learn a lot of things: science, maths, language, history, geography, computer science. Don't forget, informatic means computer science, drawing, etc. So they read some books, they write in the notebook and the teacher corrects the homework. On the table of the professor there are some chalks which is white, rose and blue in color. Manuel likes music class and he plays some guitar. So this was last week's revision. Now we are going to exercise number 1. So slowly I will go and I will tell one by one. I will not show you any answers. It is you that you have to find out the answer. Okay, so faites rimer ces mots qui sont du texte. So tourno, preno. So they have given you some rhyming words. Okay, tourno, preno. So you have to follow the same. Okay, so I'll start with derrière. Okay, first one is derrière, and other rhyming word is première. See, derrière, première, derrière, première. So that will be on the top. Preno, tourno, they did it themselves. And the following one is bureau. Bureau, any guess? Do you have any guess? Yeah, last one, tableau. Bureau, tableau. Bureau, tableau. And next one is number 3 is le. The, le. And what is left out? Fourth one, tourno, we finished. Noir. Okay, histoire, noir. Noir is number 4, and same like noir, it is histoire. Noir, histoire. So very simple one. So I repeat: tourno, preno, derrière, première, bureau, tableau, de, le, noir, histoire. So that is exercise number 1 for you, and we'll go for exercise number 2. So as it is written, you have to do the rhyming word with arrow like this. Okay, so exercise number 2, we have to investigate with the translation passage. Dites vrai ou faux. So I'll tell you this: today's online test will be based on this 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise. So that is why we are seeing this. L'école de manuel est près de chez nous. So what they are asking, first we will try to understand. L'école de manuel est près de chez nous. So Manuel's house is close to his place. Is it so? Let's see. No, preno. Okay, we have to read this front passage so that we will get the answer. Nous allons à l'école de Manuel, nous prenons la première rue à gauche, nous tournons à droite et nous tournons à droite. Nous sommes devant l'école, c'est une grande école. Elle a un rez-de-chaussée, un deuxième étage. Le terrain de sport est derrière l'école. So I think the answer, any guess? Vrai or faux? So there is nothing given here as it is Manuel, l'école de Manuel est près de chez nous. Okay, let us guess this later. Okay, we cannot make it immediately. Why? Because there is no information given based on this. I think it is 4 because they are having a long walk, right? So I guess it is 4. Let us see. Okay, l'école est grande. This is undoubted, it is vrai. Why? Because see here in this third line they have given c'est une grande école, so that means that is vrai. So there is no doubt in this. Le terrain de sport est devant l'école. Again this is faux. Le terrain de sport est devant l'école. Why? Because see, le terrain de sport est derrière l'école. See, it is given derrière, but here in this question it is given devant. So again this one is faux. Manuel n'aime pas la musique. Manuel n'aime pas la musique. So I think Manuel adore le cours de musique. Il joue de la guitare. So again it is faux because he likes music. Okay. Il y a une horloge dans la classe. So horloge means clock. Let's see if there is a clock inside the class. I only saw what? I only saw a map, France map. So in the passage it's not given that there is a clock. So again it is faux. So I think number 1 is vrai because près de chez nous, that means they are going by walk, right? So I think first one is vrai. Nous prenons la première rue, so first cross, puis nous allons tout droit et nous tournons à droite et voilà, nous sommes devant l'école. So that means first one is true and 2, 3, 4, 5 is false. So I repeat, l'école de Manuel est près de chez nous, vrai. L'école est grand, vrai. Le terrain de sport est devant l'école. Le terrain de sport est devant l'école. Faux. Manuel n'aime pas la musique. Faux. Il y a une horloge dans la classe. Faux. So as I said, number 1 is little tricky. Près de chez nous. That doesn't means it is true or false. I guess it is true because they go by walk. So even it might be false. I try to you just try to give the possible answer from your side. But as you finish this exam, I mean the online test, you'll get the answer key. In that answer key, I'll give you the right answer. Okay. So even it might be vrai or faux. So I'll check with the answer key and then I'll tell you. Okay, in the next class I'll tell you. So anyway, we will have the online test on this. So you just go ahead with this. So l'école est grand is vrai, that is true, that's sure. Another 3 is faux, and this one, let's see. Okay, now trouver les contraires du texte. So this is also an important opposite. Derrière. So opposite of derrière is what? So derrière opposite is devant. See, here it is devant. The spelling is here, devant. Derrière opposite is devant. If you don't know, even that is available in your vocabulary. Okay, devant, derrière. À gauche. Opposite of gauche is à droite. Gauche means left. Droite means right. Devant means in front of. Derrière means behind. Okay. So à gauche, opposite is à droite. The answer is here, à droite. See the pointer and you can write from seeing that. Sous. Sous. The opposite of sous is sur. Let me check the spelling for you where it is. Sur. Here it is. Sur. S-U-R. So take the spelling from here. Sur. Blanc. So blanc means white. Opposite of white is noir. So I don't see anything noir. I don't think it is in the. Let's check once again. Noir. N-O-I-R. Yeah, see a tableau noir. Here it is. N-O-I-R. Noir. So clear? Now we are going to lisser ce texte et répondez. So répondez. Comment est l'école de Manuel? Number 1 is comment est l'école de Manuel? So Take your pencil and mark from the place where I am telling. Comment est l'école de Manuel means how is Manuel school? C'est une grande école. From here you have to bracket. Number 1. C'est une grande école. Elle a un rez-de-chaussée et 2 étages. Le terrain de sport est derrière de l'école. So starting from here to here, that is number 1. Sorry. C'est une grande école. Elle a un rez-de-chaussée et 2 étages. Stop with this. Why? Because the second question, the answer is le terrain de sport est derrière de l'école. See here, où est le terrain de sport? So there are 2 ways of finding the answer. One is using the noun of the question. So the noun of the question is le terrain de sport. So le terrain de sport est derrière l'école. So we are done with that. Le terrain de sport est derrière de l'école. Second one is over. Où est la salle de classe de Manuel? Où est la salle de classe de Manuel? So where is the Manuel's class? That is the question. La salle de classe de Manuel est au 2e étage. So second passage, line number 1. La salle de Manuel. La salle de classe de Manuel est au 2e étage. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans la classe? So what is there in the class? See, very easy for you. The next one itself. Dans la classe, il y a des tables, des chaises pour les élèves, un bureau, une chaise pour les professeurs et un tableau noir. Il y a aussi une carte de la France contre le mur. So until this you have to write. Why? Because they are asking what is there in Manuel's class. So whatever things which is available in the class we have to say. So from the starting, dans la classe, il y a des tables, des chaises pour les élèves, un bureau, une chaise pour les professeurs et un tableau noir. Il y a aussi une carte de France contre le mur. So until this you have to write. Okay. So I think with this we are completing this portion for second midterm. So second midterm portion is over. Just upcoming video will be revision. So in the next class we will see revision. So now your task is you have to complete lesson 5 classwork. Lesson 5 fully you have to write, and lesson 6 you have to write the translation and this exercise, and also the appreno. Okay, so appreno of this lesson should be written, and the French translation should be written from this lesson. And these exercise, this grammar page and these exercise we are not going to discuss now. So after we complete our second midterm, we will discuss on these things. Fine. So don't worry about these exercises. I'm not going to ask any exercise from lesson 6. So that is what I want to say you. You concentrate only which is available in lesson 5. I think the answer key is also based on lesson 5, which has been given to you. So only lesson 5 exercise you have to read. So see the pattern and prepare according to the pattern. From this lesson I will ask appreno and lesson 5 or lesson 6 translation, that let's see during the exam. Fine. So that's it for today. So today we have been seeing the translation based exercise. So that is for today. So I thank you all for today. Have a nice day. And I said today online test will be based on this this 4 exercise. Okay, so based on this 4 exercise you try to do the online test. Okay, so merci, bonne journée.